I wanted to do a business of, designing something. So I started following so many people on YouTube regarding T-shirt sublimation. The entire thing is intriguing, and the entire process is also very, very interesting. But I don't want to divulge into details, but I just wanted, this video is all about unboxing of Epson sublimation printer L805 that I bought at Dragon Mart, from the same place I bought the Silhouette Cameo for MAF printers. So they sold to me this Epson printer L805, and they also gave me, I think in the box they said they'll put different ink, and they told me not to use the ink that came with the printer. And actually I've read a lot of reviews on YouTube. Most of the people, they're saying that you should not use the ink that came with the printer. I'm not so sure why. Maybe it's because it has stayed in the box for so long and it might not give you the good results that you're looking for. And I will actually follow that advice. So let's open the box and see what's inside the box. Where's the box? Here. Oh, Epson. You can see or you cannot see. Actually, this is the box. Epson L805. It's Wi-Fi enabled. It can print both paper and photo. Whatever is inside, I have no idea, but let's open it. Inside, this is inside the box. These are cushions, cushioning the package so that it doesn't get, it doesn't break. The packaging is nice, okay. Epson. I don't know if you guys can see inside. Oh my god, I'm having problem here. Okay. There's a manual already shown. Oh, the cushion, the packaging is quite nice. So let's check. Okay, so then let's remove it from the box and see what it has. There is a cable. I think maybe this is power cable. These are the inks. I don't know where it's coming from, but it's made in Korea. Sublinova. Not sure. I'm new into this field, so I just go with this. I think there are 6. We have also magenta. This is what I was waiting for, but I don't know why they gave me 2 pink. Anyway, let's see. And then we have something on the periphery of the box. I don't know what this is, but maybe it's the feeder. You put it and then, I'm not sure, I'll get it. Okay, let's hey. Removing it looks like this. Okay, I didn't see this cushion. I've removed it. It becomes lighter a little bit. Also removed. And this is the big box. So I put it aside, and then we check this bad boy. Remove all the tapes because this was to secure it while it's on transit to Dubai. And the way it's sealed is quite nice. I don't know where. So it's made in where? Made in. That is the first tip. The second tip. The third tip. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. The seventh. The eighth. I think I should stop counting now. Oh, I'm being rough. Sorry. That's not supposed to. It's not supposed to be that way. Because the moment you become rough on your machine, then you don't value it. So that's not nice. I apologize. Okay. I can't wait to see what is inside, what is in store. Are you excited like me? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't know what this is all about. That is done. It is removed. All done. Okay, this is the ink tanks, 6 of them, each with a number. This is the inside, so I'm moving these things. The things that came in the machine, all of it, check if there is anything. Done. This comes out, but you can still fix it. Apparently, I'm so sorry that imagine all this while the video was not recording anything. Even when I was showing the inks, it did not record. But I have all the inks here, 6 of them, different colors with different numbers. So it will be easy for me to be able to identify where to fit what. So this actually can come out. You just pull it like this. And then you bring this down and then remove the plugs. This is the part that didn't actually, I don't know if it's recording now. Yeah, it's recording. So the plugs are out. So you pour the ink, and this didn't come with a funnel. I don't know how I'm going to pour. I'll have to purchase a funnel because like this ink will go out. So first of all, you put it, this is 673Y. So the Y is here. The Y is here. BK is here. Second one. Third one is LC. Where is LC? LC is here. And then we have LM. This one. Then we have M. And then we have C. So all this will go in this sequence because they're all numbered here. So it's very easy to set up. This is one of the from the reviews that I had. Actually, I go with the reviews. I go with feedback from customers, those who've been in this business for a long time, and they say that this is one of the best sublimation machine, not machine but printer. Easy to set up, a bit affordable, and it does a lot of things if you set your mind to do it. So let's pour the ink here, each one of them, and then I'll be right back. I really made a lot of mess because I didn't have a funnel to put the inks, but I managed, and all the inks are in according to the numbers that are there. And so we need to return this here like this, and make sure that the plugs are tightly placed because this goes in like this so it doesn't leak. Then put it like that, and that's done. So you put aside the inks, and then that is done. And then we plug in our plug. Actually, you'll not even know that the plug is behind. It's behind. So the plug is on. So we put it on, and then you see what next.